The defendant wanted her dead. On the night of March 30th, 2019, Jeanine Cammarata is in her car at the defendant's apartment at 133 Beach 56 Place in Queens, New York. 2 days after the defendant, her husband, is served with divorce papers. She's in her car with the defendant and the defendant's girlfriend, auth-jsomma. Jeanine got into that car on her own, but she's taken out of that car by the defendant in a bag. The next time that Jeanine Cammarata is seen, Jeanine, the mother of their 2 children, the wife of the defendant, a local school teacher on Staten Island, she is dead, burnt, stuffed into a bin, inside of a bag, in the defendant's storage locker. The evidence at this trial will prove, beyond a reasonable doubt, the defendant was married to Jeanine. The defendant was threatened with divorce. The defendant got in the front seat with Jeanine. The defendant went to his apartment and got that bag and cart. The defendant carried a lifeless Jeanine into his apartment. The defendant played with Joey and Catherine when their mother's remains were feet away. The defendant put a burnt Jeanine into his storage locker. The defendant and his girlfriend murdered Jeanine Cammarata. After you hear the testimony, after you see the evidence on murder and all charges, you should find this defendant guilty. Thank you.
I believe you're going to hear the evidence that the reason that the body was put in the storage unit was to figure out. I'm in a panic. I don't know what to do. I need time. But unfortunately, unbeknownst to him, he didn't have that time because Mr. Gia, behind his back, tells a friend, you can hear evidence, gratuitously, that he killed Jeanine, and you could find the body in the storage unit. Your job, though, is to hear the evidence and make a decision on what happened in this book, in this murder mystery, in that car. Who had the opportunity? Who had more to gain from Jeanine's death? And I'm telling you right now, Mrs. Gia found her sugar daddy. I want you to keep an open mind. You promised me you would keep an open mind. That when they question a witness on direct examination, you'll wait for me. You'll wait until I get up and listen to my cross-examination. And beyond all of that, you'll wait for the judge to tell you the law. And once you hear the law, only then can you apply it to the facts that you saw and the evidence you saw.